Welcome to Skill Enhancement courses under UGCF 2022. Today we will unveil the Skill Enhancement courses. Political Communication and Leadership. It is 2 credits course. Unit 1, Explaining Political Communication. In this unit, we are going to cover meaning, nature and scope, evolution and transformation. Next is Unit 2, Exploring Leadership. Here we cover themes, theories and typologies, participation and performance. Next is Unit 3, Expanding Political Communication and Leadership, Orientation and Action. Developing communication and leadership through research. Strengthening techniques of communication and leadership. Unit 4, Extending Political Communication and Leadership, Research Issues and Challenges. Here we focus on researching communication and leadership through surveys, opinion poll, exit poll. Examining contemporary issues and challenges in communication and leadership. Last one is Unit 5, Executing Political Communication and Leadership, Empirical and Professional Implications. Psephology as an Art and Vocation. Exploring Career Options. Hope it's helpful.